Hi and welcome. My name is John, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can configure SSH using Packet Tracer. Alright, so let's get started. From your terminal, you can begin this configuration by typing enable, just like in any other configuration where you are using Cisco devices. So the aim at the moment is to assign an IP address to the interface that is on that router. So I'm going to type interface fast ethernet 0/0 and assign the IP address 192.168.1.1, okay, with our subnet mask being that, and then we have that interface up by typing no shut. Okay, so once we have done this, we can now proceed and assign a host name to this device. So I'm going to type over there, okay, host name. Our host name is going to be videolab1, and press enter. And once we have assigned our host name, we now can also assign our IP domain name. So IP domain dash name, please remember to add that dash because your syntax won't be acknowledged without the dash symbol. So you type the okay, that should be videolab.com as our IP domain name. You press enter and then type crypto key generate RSA. Right. So once you have typed the crypto key generate RSA, assign your bits. So I'm going to put it on for 2048 and then begin typing line VTY in order for me to type the VTY line. So line VTY 0 to 15, which is making sure that all the VTY lines have been made use of. Remember, we have a total of 16 VTY lines from 0 to 15. So you'd proceed there and type enter and then type transport input SSH. This is where you specify the transport is in input. And if we were configuring telnet in this configuration, we would specify telnet instead of SSH. But because SSH is more secure, SSH is what is actually we would like to configure as per this configuration. So after typing that, you can proceed and press enter. Type login local, right? Login local, press enter, and you can also specify in this case the version of SSH that you're configuring. So IP SSH version 2 is what we're configuring in this case, and then we would like to type in the username. Username is going to be John. All right, pardon me, I keep making a lot of mistakes as I type. John is the username, and then privilege. All right, now the privilege command that you just typed in allows you that each and every time you're going to establish an SSH connection, instead of you being taken into the user mode, you'd go direct into the privilege mode of that particular device. So I would set the privilege mode 15, and then my password is going to be Cisco 123 star, and then save that configuration. All right, so once we have done this and we have saved the configuration, we now can proceed and go to the device that would like to use to remotely access whatever device we have. So from this laptop over here, I'm going to click on desktop and access the command prompt instead of the terminal as we did previously. And in the command prompt, I will type SSH -L and then assign that username and type in the target IP. Our target IP is 192.168.1.1 and press enter. Notice that the moment you press enter, you are prompted to enter your password. Our password was Cisco 123 star. When you press enter, there we go. Eventually you'd be able to see and realize that you're now in the privilege mode of the device, and if you proceed and type conf t, you can actually begin running your configuration. All right, so in this case, you can go about doing almost everything within this device. All right, I would like to try and type show IP interface brief. Look at that. Everything now can be managed and configured remotely from this device via SSH. So this is how you go about configuring SSH in Packet Tracer. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you.